I'm Bill Ragan with the Roofing Channel. In this video, we're going to be going over how much a roof repair costs. Now keep in mind, there's a broad range of what can affect the cost of a roof repair. So we're going to be going over the things that affect the cost of a roof repair before we go over the true numbers. So let's get started. What's the severity of the damages? Now there's no way that we can cover every single repair in this video, but I can give you some common examples of some repairs that we do. They're anything from just replacing a few missing shingles, or maybe replacing a pipe boot, fixing a leak around a vent or a chimney or a skylight, or even repairing a leak in a valley. Some of the major problems that we see is where a roof was installed improperly and the shingles actually just start sliding off of the roof. Another major repair that we see is when there's been a roof leak, maybe around a chimney or something like that, or a skylight, and there's a lot of decking that needs to be replaced. Those are a couple of examples of major repairs. Now, if you have storm damage to your roof, we suggest having your roof replaced and not repaired because you've lost the integrity of the life of the roof. What type of roof do you have? Now, as you can imagine, it's going to be much cheaper to do a repair on an asphalt roof or even a membrane roof compared to what it would cost to do a roof repair on a slate roof or a tile roof or even a cedar shake roof. Now, if you have a standing seam metal roof, more than likely the only repairs you're ever going to need to do to it would be to work on the penetrations, and that's a maintenance issue. Another thing to consider when you're wanting to know how much it's going to cost to do a roof repair is also how steep is your roof. It's much harder to do a repair on a roof that's, say, a 45-degree angle than one that's easily walkable. And also, if your roof is a 2-story or a 3-story roof, then of course it's going to cost more to repair it. How much does a roof repair cost? So for some of the more common minor roof repairs, they start at $350, and some of the more complex repairs could run up to $2,500. As a rule of thumb, if the repairs on your roof are going to cost 25% of what it would cost to replace your roof, then we suggest go ahead and replace your roof. If you're looking for signs of whether or not you have roof damage, then click on our link below and watch our video on how to spot roof damage. I'm Bill Ragan with the Roofing Channel. Remember, like and subscribe, and we'll see you again on the next one. Thanks for watching.